If you want to call and set up a voicemail on a Motorola Moto G87, you can open the phone app. Now over here in the phone app, we're gonna go to the keypad and you want to press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. And this is how it looks like. You can usually call your voicemail just like that, and then you can begin the setup or listen to messages. Now, in case you press and hold number 1 and nothing happens, you can go to these 3 lines in the upper left corner and you can go to settings. Then over here in the settings, we should be able to simply go to the voicemail, then select your SIM, and go to advanced settings in order to then choose setup. And finally, here we have the voicemail number, which you should be able to edit in case it is incorrect or in case this is empty. Now, if you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can either try to contact your operator or service provider and ask them about the voicemail number, or try to Google that information. Leave a like and subscribe.